Abnormal signs or manifestations observed in the body that arise from internal pathological processes and are not influenced by external environmental factors are termed as frenzy, sequelae, syndrome, lesion. And the correct answer is option A, that is frenzy. A disease that spreads across multiple countries or continents and affects a large proportion of the global population is termed as endemic, epidemic, sporadic, pandemic. And the correct answer is option D, that is pandemic. In the immune system, antigen presenting cells play a key role in initiating adaptive immunity. Which of the following function as antigen presenting cells? Macrophages, dendritic cells, both A and B, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Bacteria that characteristically show a curved or comma-shaped morphology under the microscope belong to which group? Bacillus, Spirillum, Coccus, Vibrio. And the correct answer is option D, that is Vibrio. In poultry, production of thick, misshapen eggs with rough shells and calcareous deposits is a characteristic egg abnormality associated with which disease? Egg drop syndrome, Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis, avian influenza. And the correct answer is option C, that is infectious bronchitis. Vitamin K dependent clotting factor synthesis is inhibited by which anticoagulant that acts as a vitamin K antagonist? Heparin, aspirin, warfarin, dicoumarine. And the correct answer is option D, that is dicoumarine. In poultry, which vitamin is generally not required to be supplemented in the diet because birds can synthesize it endogenously? Vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin K, vitamin C. And the correct answer is option D, that is vitamin C. In body secretions such as saliva, milk, tears, and colostrum, the predominant immunoglobulin responsible for mucosal immunity is IgG, IgM, IgE, IgA. And the correct answer is option D, that is IgA. In young calves, apart from diarrhea and septicemia, which disease is most commonly encountered due to immature immunity and environmental stress? Mastitis, pneumonia, enterotoxemia, lameness. And the correct answer is option B, that is pneumonia. In broiler production, adequate floor space is essential to ensure proper growth, welfare, and feed efficiency. The recommended floor space requirement per broiler at market age is approximately 0.5 square feet per bird, 0.75 square feet per bird, 1 square feet per bird, 1.5 square feet per bird. And the correct answer is option C, that is 1 square foot per bird. In poultry, post-mortem findings of fibrinous pericarditis, perihepatitis, and a yellowish fibrin layer covering internal organs are characteristic of which disease? Colibacillosis, Newcastle disease, fowl cholera, infectious bronchitis. And the correct answer is option A, that is colibacillosis. In ultrasonography, acoustic impedance determines reflection and transmission of sound waves at tissue interfaces and is dependent upon the tissue's density alone, sound velocity alone, density and sound velocity, tissue thickness. And the correct answer is option C, that is density and sound velocity of tissue. In commercial poultry production, broiler breeder hens reach sexual maturity and typically begin egg laying at approximately what age? 18 to 20 weeks, 22 to 24 weeks, 28 to 30 weeks, 32 to 34 weeks. And the correct answer is option B, that is 22 to 24 weeks. In which animal does the urethral process extend beyond the glass penis and functionally assist during copulation and urine passage? Bull, stallion, ram, boar. And the correct answer is option C, that is ram. A sudden increase in the number of disease cases above the expected level within a specific geographic area is termed as endemic, pandemic, sporadic, epidemic. And the correct answer is option D, that is epidemic. The process by which genetic information is copied from DNA to form a complementary RNA molecule is known as transcription, translation, replication, reverse transcription. And the correct answer is Option A, that is transcription. According to base pairing rules of DNA, what is the complementary strand for the DNA sequence 5 to triple A C double T G triple U C double A C double G double A triple T G double A G triple T G double A C? And the correct answer is option D, that is triple T G double A C. Omeprazole reduces gastric acid secretion by irreversibly inhibiting a key enzyme in parietal cells. Its primary mechanism of action is H2 receptor blockade, antacid neutralization, inhibition of hydrogen potassium ion ATPase or proton pump, prostaglandin synthesis stimulation. And the correct answer is option C, that is inhibition of hydrogen potassium ion ATPase or proton pump. Xylazine, an alpha-2 adrenergic agonist used as a sedative and muscle relaxant in small animals, is recommended in dogs at which dose rate? 2 to 3 mg per kg, 0.5 to 1 mg per kg, 0.1 to 0.2 mg per kg, 0.01 to 0.05 mg per kg. And the correct answer is option B, that is 0.5 to 1 mg per kg. Interferons are host-derived proteins that play a crucial role in innate immunity by protecting the body primarily against bacterial infections, fungal infections, viral infections, parasitic infections. And the correct answer is option C, that is viral infections.